SAPA has been warning for a long time that it's only a matter of time before the current avian flu outbreaks in other parts of the world will hit us. How will this vaccination protect our flocks?
So, yes, I think we must start off by saying that, and the reason we're asking for vaccination is the fact that the disease is out of control in Europe, out of control in America. It's now gone to Brazil, and in all likelihood, we will receive birds that are positive with the disease during the spring of this year. And that is why we are asking for vaccination of all our flocks.
Now, just take us back a little. What was the initial hold-up with the vaccination initially? I know the previous outbreak, if I'm not mistaken, in 2023 cost the industry billions of rands.
Absolutely. There was one point that hindered us in terms of vaccination, and that was that, remember, this is a controlled disease. So it's controlled by the Department of Agriculture, and not anyone can vaccinate. One needs to get approval for vaccination. The criteria for approval is that the specific farm must comply with the biosecurity rules set by the Department of Agriculture, but also with the monitoring protocols. And those were set so onerous that not a single farm to date could actually be approved to vaccinate.
Now, Isak, this is a big task ahead of all the vaccinations to come. Tell us a bit about the logistics, if you can.
The logistics are not foreign to us. We do a lot of vaccinations to poultry. We need to remind ourselves we're only going to vaccinate long-living birds, the normal broiler birds that we consume as meat, and they're not going to be vaccinated.